Ready to turn your wildest imagination into hilariously bizarre TikTok gold? Let's dive into making funny AI videos using Midjourney and TikTok. First, head over to Midjourney if you haven't already. Join their Discord server. This is where the AI magic happens. You will need to subscribe to a plan to generate images. Now, let's craft some ridiculous prompts. Think absurd combinations and unexpected scenarios. For example, try a pug riding a unicorn through space, pixel art, or a cat wearing a tiny hat, interviewing a pickle. Photorealistic, the weirder, the better. Midjourney will generate a grid of images based on your prompt. Pick the one you like best and upscale it. If nothing clicks, try again with a slightly tweaked prompt. Next, hop onto TikTok. Tap the button to start a new video. Now the fun part, animating your image. Use TikTok's built-in tools to add subtle movements, a slight zoom, a gentle pan, enough to bring it to life but not distract from the image itself. Time for sound effects. TikTok's library is your treasure chest of comedic audio. Think cartoonish bowings, dramatic wah-wahs, or even snippets of ridiculous songs. Sync the sound with the image's movement or the overall vibe for maximum comedic impact. Add text, a funny caption, a relatable reaction, or a thought bubble coming from your AI creation. Keep it short, sweet, and to the point. Think, my brain trying to remember where I put my keys. Post it and watch the laughs roll in. Experiment with different prompts, animations, and sounds to find your comedic sweet spot. Remember to use relevant hashtags like #AI videos and #TikTok content to boost your video's visibility. Now get out there and make some hilariously viral content.